Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about more history from Dominican Republic. The Colonial Zone. Santo Domingo is a unique blend of the charisma of the old world, the vitality of Latin American and modern sophistication. This colonial zone is the oldest in the America and is filled with monuments and buildings that were the very foundation of Spanish colonization. To explore the need to travel back in time to the art, architecture, and ambience of a bygone age. An impressive number of the 16th century buildings has been preserved and restored, including stone churches and houses, dating from 1502, many well out in the octagonal plan of the late Middle Ages. The Lady Street. The Lady Street was the first street to be formally laid out in Santo Domingo. It was originally called the First Street as it is close to the fortress. It became known as the Ladies because the Viceroy's wife, Miss Maria de Toledo, and the ladies who attended her used to take a daily stroll along it. Ruins of Parrot, St. Nicholas of Very Hospital. At the corner of Hospital Street and Luperna Street, visitors can explore the ruins of the first hospital in the Americas. It was built in the 16th century when Fray Nicholas abandoned over the island. Later, it served as a church until it was abandoned in the 18th century and so fell into ruin. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.
Is in terms of international support for the opposition movement.
President Trump announced his support for opposition leader Juan Guaido.
Slums, where around half the country's population live on less than $2 a day.
Lamentándolo mucho, Venezuela está muertos de hambre. Está muertos de hambre. Nos estamos muriendo de hambre.
Thousands taking to the streets yet again today after weeks of violent protest